tap.
If you guys did not watch the previous video, make sure you go check it out. We went down at Ondgas Ismael, the promo video. Se nos quemaron bujías, se nos rompieron mangueras, llantas. We got it dialed in, we got it ready early this morning. As soon as we got it up and running, another thing came up. We fixed it again, another thing came up. And now we get here, and now the transmission's slipping. So, and don't need reverse. Well, I mean, we can go forward, we can't go back.
Well, that's the way of life. Who the fuck wants to go back?
Do that.
Let's just go forward, bro.
Yeah, we can just go forward. Shout out to Sonic Daddy, came out and helped us push us back and shit. I don't know, bro. Let me put it on reverse again. A ver si cala. Everything we could to get Draco out here, but unfortunately, after yesterday's event, it's done. We just gotta take it back to the shop and get this thing redone. So y'all stay tuned for that coming up. It's gonna be all on YouTube. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Pedo, shit happens. Like Beto says, like that motherfucker right there. What this comes up?
Hey bro, you got in my way.
Hey bro, you got in my way.
Hey, you got in my way. Hey, we lo bautizamos. Give that smoke to touch. That's right. I do that. Fuck. Hey, you broke my toe, bro. You broke my toe, like you broke your toe, like. A huevo, guys. Big shout out to Troceando. Este cabrón. His huevos dropped and he went in the pit with nuts. Right, man. Goes, that nigga drawing nuts.
That's fucking different, bro.
I tell people just go in there and just don't worry about nobody else. Just follow everybody. Just follow. And you get the hang of it, bro. Like, that's how it is, bro. Hey, bro. Go to the streets and practice. Mexico, the streets of Mexico. No, but the Mexico street is too much gravel. It's better than LA, you know, it's worse than LA.
We need to go out there one day.
Guys, big shout out. Make sure to go into the giveaways because they give you some badass giveaways too. And the guys, I don't do giveaways porque I feel like that's stressful. That's all that. So I respect everything in the giveaways and back and sure to go into the giveaways. You never know you can win a badass truck for free. Basically, free. But I don't know.
I learned a thing or two today. That day was fucking fun. We hit the wall. We hit Ismael hit us. And that was fun. And then the fucking helmet, you can't see everything, bro.
You can't see at the sides.
It's the helmet and it's throwing the geek out.
Oh, no mames.
No, but it was fun. It was fun at the time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Burnout. Even though we had issues, back, we made it out. We had a good time. We're gonna get it ready. ATO the next show. I'm gonna be ready. We're gonna be ready, and we're gonna go out there. Subscribe. That's the way. That's here.